that you are very much interested. Maybe electronics, maybe computers, maybe electrical, mechanical, automobile, whatever it may be, that domain. First identified advanced domain. Okay, once that is identified, the step 2 is you need to go for industrial research. Industrial research means once you identify the domain, you need to understand how much importance that domain has in the industry. Is the domain has a high demand? Is it really important? Is the domain has a high paying capacity? That must be research. That is industrial research. That can be done easily. The third step is you need to identify the top 5 courses. Top 5 courses, 5 tools, 5 hardware devices. Are you getting my point? So, for example, if you take electronics, you can identify domain as an example. Any domain you can choose. For example, if you choose embedded systems as a domain, one of the remaining domain for the PCE background. Let's say computer science. You think that artificial intelligence nowadays, they have huge demand. You choose the domain. Once you have chosen the domain, the next thing is you do the industrial research. Is the embedded system has industrial, very high demand? In the embedded, so many categories are there. Those categories have high demand in the market. Is the artificial intelligence developers have a huge demand in the market? Of course, everyone are talking about AI tools, everything. Understood? So it has a huge demand in the market. That is industrial research. Later, in the AI or in the embedded system, you need to identify the top 5 courses. What are the top demanding courses in the market? That market has huge job opportunities. That market has a huge opportunities as a freelancer. In the market, you can have a passive income. So all these are the demands. Right? Once you have those 5 courses, in the courses, not just learning theoretically, but also some tools will be there. Let's say AI tools, embedded systems. So many software today, let's say PC software or maybe Proteus software, Earlybird software, just frameworks, so many others. Okay, Python, anything, any tools, any software packages, anything you will identify tools, hardware device, let's say embedded hardware device. Hardware is microcontroller, Arduino, Nano, Raspberry Pi. Advanced hardware devices are there. You need to learn those hardware devices, those software tools, and those 5 tools. Once you become, once you have learned, understood, implemented, next you go for the 4th step, learning them. How do you learn them? There are different approaches. Either you join some issue or some industry, you do the internship. You can join any company as a fresher and doing the internship, maybe for free or stipend based. Once you do in your interested domain as an internship in the company, you will get the experience. Once you get the experience, then you are called as a skillful person. Understand? For example, you did not get the chance or opportunity as an internship in the company, you can join a private institute where these courses will be taught. You can join those institutes, you can learn those skills, you develop, you practice, you implement it. Okay, the last step is you need to go for innovative projects. In your domain, domains are chosen, tools, software, hardware devices are chosen. In those domains, you need to complete at least 3 major projects. Just 3 major projects. Once you have done innovative major projects, you will learn so many things from end to end. From developing side, hardware devices, everything you do. I am getting my point. Once you follow these 5 steps, step by step, there are high chances that definitely you get the job in your dream company. Whether it may be Infosys or maybe DRDO or maybe anything. Because you are ready with the skills. The core company will be ready to take you. So this is what expected from all the students by any company. I am getting my point. Yes? Now, do you have any questions? We'll stop. We'll wind up here. 5-10 minutes, we'll take up questions.